Allen, Ohio, where the rents are fly. Got a man named Mike, he's your wash guy. House wash, roof wash, driveway clean. Mike Carmody's king of pristine scene.
Hey, how's it going? Mike here, the Fresh Rents, on location in a little place called Beckett Ridge, Ohio. One of my favorite communities to wash in. Myself, my friend Noah Blair, and his employee Nick. We're here on location to wash this brand new lawyer's office. I think this building is about a year old. Not a lot going on here, but a good wash for us on a Wednesday evening. I've teamed up with Noah because he does window washing. They wanted the windows to be washed after I wash the building. And here's the thing, a lot of stain work going on here. So very little SH on this job, just enough to clear up the cobwebs, a little bit of debris, that kind of stuff. They want it cleaned up. They want it to look nice. Again, it's a new building.
Fresh Rents, Mike, remember the name. If you got a spot that's looking great, call Mike Carmody, save the day. Fresh Rent service is here to stay, making Ohio shine, clearing the way.
I go on vacation next week, but after that, when I come back, I will be washing their home and their driveway. Again, all this stain work here, which I will not be touching with SH. And then there are a few doors in the back that are also stained, and all of these columns. Let's not risk it. Let's talk about collaboration a little bit. There was a time very early on where I was afraid of my competition. Not so much fear of my competition as it was lack of confidence in my own business model. And because of that, I was worried that people were going to take my business. So just a real quick pro tip, when you're washing these stained doors or washing around them, go ahead and hit them with water real good. Just to knock off the cobwebs, get them nice and wet. And then when you shoot your SH, you're not as likely to discolor the doors in any way. Turn on a little soap. Get these windows. And of course, the same for the edge of this ceiling. You're going to want these cobwebs down. So a little SH may be necessary, but maybe not. We'll see. Just getting it wet, and then we'll come back and we can clean with soap without any worries of bleaching out this ceiling. Hit the Flow Pro, and let's go. So now I'll just do like this. Just get enough on there to say that I did. Quickly put it back into rinse mode. Once the line completely extinguishes all the soap, and I'll go back real quick, knock that off. Easy peasy. And we're good. So there's a phrase that I've heard a number of times in the industry that I really like. They said, competition exists at the bottom. Collaboration exists at the top. And I agree with that. It took me a while to learn that and have an appreciation for it, but I absolutely agree with it. I mean, that new rig that I'm building is almost completely supplied by my so-called competition. They care for me, I care for them. One hand washes another. We scratch one another's back. How many more cliches can I come up with? Once again, there's a lot of cobwebs up here. Dust bunnies, as we call them, from these vents right here. I'm gonna make sure I get everything down from these corners, all the nooks and crannies, but I'm just using water. Hey guys, Mike here, The Fresh Rinse. Hey, I just want to take just a moment and say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. It means the world to me. I get it. YouTube is big and your time is valuable. You could watch any channel that you want to, and you've chosen to take the time to watch this channel. And that means the world to me. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. The finest window washers in all of Cincinnati.
That's right, baby.
This is my friend Noah, and the main man right here, Nick.
That's it.
Teaching Noah how to operate a water-fed pole. I love it.
I just learned that today.
Did you?
Water-fed pole. Water-fed pole. You just learned that today?
That's
You
great.
just taught me that.
You just taught him, dude.
Did you forget already? Yeah.
These,
You need to find me a new teacher.
these are the guys that I'm teaming up with. Shows you how classy of a fella I am. Jeepers creepers. Okay, so Noah's going to kind of give us a tutorial here of how the, what do you call it?
So this is an RODI.
RODI.
System. Stands for reverse osmosis deionization. So it's a 4-stage water filtration system that cleans all the impurities, the sediment, the minerals out of the water. So when we're washing windows, they're left spot free.
Okay.
So the water comes in here, goes through a sediment filter, and then it goes through a carbon filter. From there, it goes into the RO tank, the reverse osmosis filter. After that, it goes into the DI tank, where it deionizes the water, and then it comes out of our application hose. The wastewater is drained out of the bottom.
So this contains the
dirty water.
contaminants. This is the dirty water.
Yep.
How cool is
So it
that?
separates it all and disperses the dirty water and cleans or feeds the clean water out our hose.
Where can someone find a setup like this?
Jay Racenstein, baby.
Jay Racenstein. The link in the description.
Yeah, any window cleaning supply store will sell an RODI and a water-fed pole system.
That's named Jay Racenstein.
As long as they're named Jay Racenstein.
That's right.
That's the only one worth buying.
Absolutely. All right, thank you, my friend. So in all seriousness, if you're looking to get into the window cleaning business, call up Jay Racenstein. I'll put a link in the description. Ask for Charity Wilder. She'll get you set up with everything that you need at a very fair price. Tell her The Fresh Rinse sent you. She'll know who you're talking about. Noah and Nick are a two-man comedy crew. They're hilarious, fun to work with. Whenever someone in our area asks me about window cleaning, I get Noah and Nick to come behind me and wash the windows. I don't ask for any kickback. I don't think that's wrong to do that. I just choose not to. They do a great job. We have an amazing Facebook group in our area called the Sin-Day Washers. There are about 120 or so of us in the group, and that's just a small fraction of the number of washers in our area. But seemingly we all get along well. We pass along work to one another if there's overflow, or if I'm washing in an area that's just a little bit far for me. So I'll post a job on the page and someone will take it, and everybody's happy. So Noah also does Christmas lights. He does deck staining, ceiling staining, door staining, all that good stuff. So anytime someone asks me about deck staining in particular, I send them to Noah, and his Christmas lights are absolutely amazing. So as far as I'm concerned, I do not have enemies, and really I don't even have competition. I have a ton of friends, and we help one another out. You really gain nothing with this mentality that you're against one another, because even if they are competition, what can you do about it? Here's the way I look at it. If he succeeds, he was going to succeed whether he was my competition or not. And so if I can aid in someone else's success, we're all going to win. I suppose I could be wrong about that, but thus far it has only gotten me ahead. All right, I appreciate everyone watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell tab, and leave a comment. I'd greatly appreciate it. My name's Mike. They call me the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.
Come on, remember the name.